Hi friends, welcome back to Kidz Stories More. I'm Mimi.
And I'm Olivia.
I almost said I'm Olivia. Anyway, today we have a fun unboxing for you. We were sent this great, why don't you give them a show? LED light, I want to get this right, from TOHETO. It's an A4 light pad. It's for diamond painting, for tracing, for weeding out your vinyl when you're doing your crickets and things like that. It's got a million uses. It's portable. It's lightweight. Let's see if it passes the test. I mean, Olivia is into crafts and all kinds of things like that. We could have used this when the kids were younger. Let's see how it works.
I'm back. So we got a charger, it looks like.
That's a USB-C power cable.
It's a pencil with a pencil sharpener and an eraser.
Ah, good for tracing. That's a nice bonus. It's packed nicely. It's got the foam on the outside. What's that?
Magnets.
Oh, your magnets to hold down your paper or your diamond painting while you're tracing. So
There's
you're not.
4 of them.
Yeah, because you don't want to be. That's the hard thing to teach, especially when kids are young. Holding down the paper while you're tracing so it doesn't move. Here you don't have to worry about that because the magnet should do it for you. Look, show how thin that is. It's, pull it closer. See how thin that is? Is it lightweight?
Yeah. It also has a ruler on width and length.
Why don't you show that?
So you can see that.
You know what? I'm going to zoom in a minute. Look at the back. What are those? Those 4 things.
Foam sticky thingies.
Oh, so that'll be good so it won't destroy your tabletop. So what do you have there?
A rat.
And what else?
We have a rat.
He's cute.
We have a dog.
Aww.
Parrots or birds or whatever you call them.
So these all came with it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
A mosquito, I think. Or a fly.
Oh, so they gave you some cute pictures to trace right off the bat,
Another
which is
dog.
aww. You know, we love dogs here.
Dolphin.
That's so nice.
And then blank pieces of paper.
Oh, perfect. It gets you started right away. Hey, Kevin, glad you joined us.
Yes,
So which picture did you choose to make a copy of?
a doggo.
Aw, he's cute. He kind of reminds us of Teddy a little bit.
Has
All
a
right.
more cookie.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
All right, so show us how it works. Look at that. Just hold it for a second. Okay. See, it goes bright to dim. It's not stepping, you're just holding it, the sensor. All right, so put it as bright as you want. Okay, now put your paper on. Okay, oh, look at the light. You can see that. Then put your other paper over it. Okay, and then use your magnets in the 4 corners. How strong those magnets are. Whoa, all right. So put them on the 4 corners, and that way it'll stay in place. I would put it even a little further in. There you go. Let's see how it goes. How's that picture coming? It looks good. All right, can you hold that up for the camera? Look how good that came out. All right, take it off. Let's see. We'll hold them side by side. Oh, you accidentally put two pieces. That's okay. All right. Turn it over. There we go. Nice job. All right, you can put them down. Question for you. Did you find that this product made it easier to trace?
Yes.
Did you have it on the highest setting or the
Highest
lightest?
setting.
Highest setting. But you could use it on a dimmer setting and still have the same effect. That looks great. You know, this would have been a lot easier for me when I was younger and doing like book reports and trying to put the draw a picture on the front to trace. All right, so what do you give this product out of 5 stars?
6.
Well, you heard it here first. Definitely get one for yourself. Check the description below for a link to the item. And we hope you enjoyed our review of this TOHETO A4 Light Pad. Very easy to travel with. Cord comes with it. Very light, thin, fits anywhere. And come back for more reviews on Kidz Stories More. What
Right.
should they do?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. You heard it here first. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.